Hey, this is Desert Wind Riding Academy, and this is our class.
There was no warning. I'm sorry. That was more of like a test run.
Beautiful, cloudy day. Little inclement weather training. So we're here on a cloudy, wonderful day, teaching some motorcycle riding. Good morning.
Who gave you that idea? Part of me wanted to say you didn't like Marvel at all and you actually like Batman.
Well, you'd be wrong. And I don't despise Batman, he isn't one of my favorites.